In which event can the ship owner lose money because of not having all cargo tanks empty on arrival? When a crude oil tanker has carried out cargo tank cleaning during the ballast voyage, there will be slops and residues collected and stored in one slop tank. If there is any doubt about retaining the slops, the master must communicate this question to the owners and cargo owner or charterers and request their advice. Most charter parties provide for the charterer to make the decision regarding the disposition of slops. If the characteristic of the slop oil and the nature of the next cargo permit, the slops may be retained on board and the next cargo loaded on top of them. This is normally done with crude oil cargoes when the same or similar crude will be carried on the next voyage. The charterer may wish to load on top, or lot, in which case full freight will be normally paid. Charterers may require the slops to be discharged. The time required to do this normally constitutes lay time used. If the charterer does not wish to load on top, the slops must be segregated and freight will not be paid to the ship owner on the space or deadweight used. A normal procedure in such cases, and in order to load full deadweight, is that the slop is sold and the vessel deslopped to a slop barge prior to loading. What is the difference between a loading and a voyage order? The difference between a loading order and a voyage order is: a voyage order is an instruction from the owner or operator or charterers to the vessel's master about where the vessel shall sail after completion of a port call. Even if the next cargo is not settled yet, the vessel needs some kind of instruction on where to sail. For instance, proceed to outer anchorage, drop anchor and wait for further order, or proceed to Fujairah for order, etc. The loading order is the specific instruction to proceed to a port or terminal and load a specific cargo or several grades of cargo and quantity. The loading order also includes an indication of the discharge port or area, which need to be considered with respect to draft and air draft restrictions during the voyage and at discharge port. Based on the loading order, the loading plan is worked out by the chief officer.